In this video, we're going to learn how to take great graduation photos using a mirrorless camera like the one you have. Not perfect photos, not complicated photos, just good, confident, meaningful images your friends will love. If you remember just 3 things, you'll do very well. Good light, sharp focus, and a relaxed subject. Let's walk through this step by step. Start by setting your camera to aperture priority mode, often called AV. Set your aperture between f2.0 and f2.8. This gives you that soft, professional background. Set your ISO between 100 and 400 or use auto ISO. Your camera will choose the shutter speed for you. To see what it's choosing, gently press the shutter button halfway. The shutter speed will appear on the screen. Just make sure it stays at 1/200 or faster. If it drops below that, simply raise your ISO. Now focus. Use face detection with eye autofocus. The camera will find the eye. Your job is simple. Make sure the eyes are sharp. If the eyes are not sharp, the photo doesn't work. One more simple habit will help you right away. Hold the camera with one hand on the grip and your other hand underneath the lens to support it. This keeps the camera steady and helps you get sharper images. Keep your elbows close to your body for even more stability. Before you take any photo, look at the light. Good light will make an average photo look great. Bad light will ruin even a perfect setup. Look for soft, even light. Shade is your best option. Avoid harsh sunlight on the face. If the light isn't good, don't adjust the camera. Just move. Now let's frame the photo. Keep it simple. Instead of placing your subject directly in the center, shift them slightly to one side. This is called the rule of thirds. It helps your photos feel more natural. Now look at the background. Make sure nothing is distracting. If something looks off, take one step to the side. Small changes make a big difference. And now posing, keep it simple. Give your subject something to do. Walk toward you. Adjust the cap. Look off to the side. Natural movement creates better photos. Keep talking, keep encouraging, and keep shooting. The best photos often happen between poses. Don't take just one photo. Take several. Hold the shutter and capture multiple shots, especially during movement. Small differences in expression can make a big difference. The day of the photo shoot, follow this simple flow. Start with safe shots, then natural variations, then movement, then something fun, like a cap toss, then step back and capture the environment. Every so often, pause and review. Zoom in on the eyes. Ask yourself, are the eyes sharp? Is the light good? Is the background clean? If something is off, fix it right away. After the shoot, we can refine the images, adjusting light, color, and cropping using a tool like Photoshop or something similar. Slightly brighter, slightly cleaner, better framed. But right now, just think about having fun and taking pictures. To recap, here are the main takeaways. Find good light, focus on the eyes, and keep your subject comfortable. That's it. Keep it simple, and you'll get photos people genuinely love.